Aston Martin V8 Vantage, my one. I'm fitting coilovers, and Byron at Gaz needed one of my old ones so he can measure it and then make the proper ones and whatever. Here's the thing, I haven't done one of these in 10 years. And which way do I go? So I want the shock absorber out. Obviously I've undone the top, I've undone the bottom, but it needs to come out. So do I undo the 2 bolts there and there, swing that forward? Do I undo that and swing that forward and then jiggle it out? Do I undo the bottom one and then swing it all forward? Decisions. Hey, so what I did is I undone them 2 bolts, pulled the whole hub forward, being careful of this brake hose, and then just sort of jiggled it out. And there it is on the floor there, ready to take to Byron in the morning.